Simple game. It is necessary to define who of two players will win the game in ideal moves of each. The n by m board is given. The players' figures are on opposite sides of the board. In his turn, the player must move one of his figures forward horizontally to any number of cells, but not further than the enemy figure on this line. A player who can't make a move loses. Player X can't make a turn. Player Y is the winner. Okay, and now I'm going to use JavaScript for this problem. The game function, which has the parameters n and m, is defined in this JavaScript code. When two players alternate turns in a game, the function produces a string indicating which player will win in that particular game. The code uses a ternary operator to determine whether n is an odd number and m is not 2. The function returns first, denoting that the first player to enter the game will win if both requirements are satisfied. Otherwise, second is returned, meaning the second player will win.